if startups or businesses are intelligent, everyone can create their own cryptocurrency, which is decentralized, which is based on blockchain technology, because
Yes.
it has that same USP of crypto that, okay, this is blockchain, it's decentralized, it's safe, secure, all that. Just come up with something intelligent like this. So this particular brand, Brave Browser, understood that, okay, we will pay people to see our ads from our clients in back. That's a very intelligent business strategy. Turned it into a cryptocurrency. Going forward, if Brave Browser becomes popular and if more people own bats and if the brands are paying them in bats, bats will also be listed on platforms like yours, like
Yes,
CoinDCS.
it is already there.
Okay.
So if you want to invest in it, you can buy 1 rupee worth of BAT or whatever amount you want to invest in.
Got it.
So as this gets more adoption, the value of BAT will increase. And it's not just about BAT. There are various tokens out there which are solving different real world problems.
Like, can you give a few examples?
Like insurance. Now, when you take insurance from a company, you ultimately trust the company who's giving the insurance that if something happens, they will give you the money back. Now, there are protocols that are built where you don't need to trust those companies. The system is designed in a way where if you satisfy these conditions, you will naturally get paid. It's coded. The future, right now, what happens, I mean, this is something that I believe in, is that, 50, 100 years back, we used to trust the words. Aapne bol diya, maine maan liya, that is how it happened. But now that is shifting.
What do we trust?
Right. I mean, like right now, it's like agreements. We have so much agreements. Now in the future, code is going to be the law. So for example, right now, what happens is in any service, whenever we take any service from some company, we trust the company. That if something happens, they will do this. All of that can be coded. Ethereum allows you to do the flexibility to make smart contracts. For example, if this happens, this is what will happen. It can be, so Ethereum is also called, like, you can program money, program the movement of money.
So when you say these things can be coded, matlab you are making a contract in the digital world through code. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.